Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Gabby, aka Mocha. Welcome back to my channel to all my OG subscribers. Welcome to my channel to all my new subscribers. And if you're new to my channel, you already know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, that notification bell, so you're not missing out on any of my videos. Okay guys, so yes, let's get into today's video. Today's video, I am going to be applying clip-ins to my hair. And I got this from the beauty supply store, Outre, 4 kinky curly clip-ins. And it has 9 pieces and it shows you exactly where to put your clip-ins in your hair. So it doesn't have like a number system, but it does have 12 inches. Basically, 12 inches goes in the back of your hair, 3 inches goes at the top of your hair. So I really like this because if you're anything like me, I have installed clip-ins in my hair, apply clip-ins in my hair, and I always place it in the wrong spot and then I have to just take everything out and redo it. So I think this is actually a good idea. I was a little skeptical because it did say for a kinky curly hair, and my hair is more around 3B-ish, but it's not too far from for a kinky curly hair, and I have seen other YouTube girls apply this to their hair, so I'm pretty sure it's not that much off. So, and it looks pretty curly, so let's see. Also too, I went ahead last night and I braided my hair down. Did that. It's not the best braid, so don't judge. But I went ahead and braided my hair down where the clip-ins are going to be clipped on at. And then I went ahead and did my leave out. I did braids and perm rods. I just did that because I'm not sure how my leave out is going to be. And I hope it's enough out because it does feel a little light. But we will see. So this is the 12 inches that I had, 12 inches that I had on the hair, and this is a longer piece, so of course you put the longer piece in the back of your hair. So, and then it has the clips, has about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clips, so that's really good. The first one installed. I'm trying to see if I put it down too low, if it looks up. This is the 10 inches. Like I said, I like the inches number system because it'll show you exactly where to pinpoint and place each clip in, so you don't misplace anything. I'm just saying, this is helpful for people like me. Okay, don't mind me. I'm trying to see if I put it too low in my head, but I don't think so. Okay, so as you can see, I just finished applying all of the clip-ins to my hair. So now I'm just gonna add a little bit of mousse just to lay it down a little bit, and then I'm gonna take my leave out. So, because it looks a little frizzy and this hair kind of sheds a little bit. So just to give it a little bit more shine and to lay it down. I can tell there's some pieces I'm gonna have to cut because it looks a little ragdollish. You see how it's kind of shedding a little bit? That part I do not like at all. I was gonna wait to the end to cut it, but I just cannot look at that. It is gonna bother the crap out of me. So, this is the first synthetic curly hair in a while that I've seen shed like this. Usually they be on point. See that, guys? You can't really tell, but a little bit. It's like the color is off. Like I said, I usually get the color too, but I'm gonna make it work. I'm gonna make it work. Okay guys, so this is the final results of my hair. And I love my hair. I love it. It blends very well with my hair. As you've seen throughout the video, when I was applying it and I started taking out the leave out, it didn't seem like it would blend as well. But once I applied that mousse, baby, it did its job. And I was a little skeptical at first, like I mentioned, because the hair is for a kinky curly hair and I have more of a tighter curl, a 3B-ish hair type, but it's not too much off. It actually blends very well. And I was skeptical at first too because it's jet black and my hair is more like a brownish tint, but it blends very well with my hair. The only con that I do not like about this hair, the hair is a little stiff a little bit, so I'm skeptical if I do go out, will it tangle up, will it start shedding, because it did start shedding a little bit as I was playing with it and it just started coming out like so, and I did not really care for that. But overall, I love this hair. Like, it blends very well. It has the volume. I didn't really have to cut it too much to basically even it out and give it a little shape. It is really good, but I wonder how long it would last. If I wanted to use it again, will it tangle up and shed like I mentioned? But overall, I love this, guys. Yes. I'm going to go somewhere today, so this is about to be cute. But I do thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos.